Okay, here we are playing with Butters, the friendly dog. Purebred Rottweiler. He is about 17 weeks old, 50 pounds. That's average for, a 4-month-old dog. Or pup, whatever you want to call it. Go get it. Go get it. Godspeed. Oh. Okay, you got some business with my leg? Yeah, that's cool. Look at you, Mr. Elvis, rocking them hips. God, you need a girlfriend. Is that it? And that's a turd. Okay, let's move away from that. You are a persistent guy, aren't you? No means no. You're done? Seconds? You beast. I hardly know you. No bite? There we go. You gotta treat it gently. This is a fine piece of meat. No bite?